New at 4, it's a challenge for a lot of veterans to get readjusted in society after serving our country. But special service dogs can help veterans cope with day-to-day life. One was given to a Buffalo native and veteran today. News 4's Angela Cristoforos introduces us to them. Angela?
Christy, when it comes to veterans suffering from something like PTSD or anxiety, man's best friend becomes a lot more than just a furry friend. These special service dogs alleviate the challenges that come with adjusting to normal life. The moment Miranda Hulse met her service dog, Bolt, the connection was instant.
I brought him back to my house on the first day, and he slept with me, and he's my little shadow. He follows me all around, and I love him, and I think it's mutual. For Hulse, Bolt is more than just a loved pet. He's like a lifeline that's helping the U.S. Army veteran readjust. Hulse was a captain for 7 years and did 3 combat tours, 1 to Iraq and 2 to Afghanistan. She returned in 2014 and has struggled with anxiety and PTSD ever since. In the military, there's structure. You know where you belong. Everyone has a job. Everyone has a rank. And you know where you fall in line, and then back home, you don't have that, so you're lost.
Through a nonprofit called Rebuilding Warriors, Miranda got the German Shepherd for free.
They'll jump up on their recipients or nuzzle real close to the recipient, and that's a, hey, snap out of what you're doing here. You're not paying attention. Your anxiety levels are up, and the dog feels that.
Socialization is a big part of training. Dogs like Bolt are taught to handle any public setting their owners may bring them to.
You can see people's faces light up when I walk by, and before I wouldn't engage those people. I would just walk with my head down, and now that I have Bolt, I have more confidence.
Bolt's trainer says any breed can be trained, but it's not for all dogs. For a link to more information on Rebuilding Warriors, go to the Founded on 4 section of WIVB.com. Live in the studio, Angela Cristoforos, News 4 at 4.